Unlock financial freedom through real estate. Are you ready to achieve financial independence and build wealth through real estate? Become an associate partner today and start your journey toward success. For more information, contact us at cell 798-937-6451, email muhammadreality@gmail.com. Take the first step towards your future now.
What is fractional ownership? A revolutionary development for Indian real estate investors. The Indian real estate market has experienced a substantial transformation in recent years. Fractional ownership is one of the innovative investment strategies that is garnering traction and is revolutionizing the way Indians invest in real estate. Fractional ownership has democratized real estate investment by enabling multiple investors to combine resources to own high-value properties, thereby making it more accessible and profitable for individuals across the financial spectrum. In this comprehensive guide, we will investigate the definition of fractional ownership, its operational principles, its advantages, and the reasons it has emerged as a groundbreaking development in the Indian real estate sector. Comprehending fractional ownership. Fractional ownership is a financial arrangement in which a high-value asset, such as commercial, residential, or holiday home real estate, is collectively owned by multiple investors. Each investor retains a portion of the property, which translates to a proportional share of the benefits, including asset appreciation and rental income. In contrast to conventional real estate investments, which necessitate substantial capital, fractional ownership enables investors to partake with a relatively lower financial commitment. For example, 10 investors can collectively own a property valued at 10 crore, with each investor contributing 1 crore. The mechanism of fractional ownership. Property selection. Fractional ownership is made available for high-value properties, such as commercial spaces, premium residential residences, and holiday homes. Resource pooling. A digital platform such as Assats facilitates the transparent and efficient pooling of the funds of interested investors. Ownership allocation. The legal documentation of each investor's share guarantees the clarity of ownership percentages and entitlements. Distribution of rental income. A proportional distribution of the rental income among the investors is determined by their fractional ownership of the property. Exit strategy. Investors have the option to sell their proportionate share in the property through the platform or an open market, which guarantees liquidity and flexibility. The impact of fractional ownership on Indian investors is profound. Firstly, accessibility and cost-effectiveness. Many investors are unable to access premium properties due to the substantial initial investment required for traditional real estate investments. This gap is bridged by fractional ownership, which enables individuals to invest in prime properties with smaller quantities of capital. Next, diversification. Fractional ownership allows investors to diversify their portfolios across multiple high-value properties, thereby reducing risk and maximizing potential returns. For example, an investor may simultaneously possess fractions of properties situated in Mumbai, Bangalore, and Goa, which encompass residential, commercial, and vacation home sectors. Then, increased profits. Fractional ownership provides an opportunity to invest in premium commercial properties and highly sought-after holiday homes, which offer attractive rental yields, typically spanning from 7 to 10% annually, and capital appreciation over time. Moreover, hassle-free management. Platforms such as Assats are responsible for property management, which encompasses maintenance, tenant acquisition, and rent collection. This renders fractional ownership an investment alternative that is effortless for professionals who are exceedingly active. Additionally, liquidity. Fractional ownership offers liquidity in contrast to conventional real estate investments. Investors have the option to liquidate their positions by selling their shares to other purchasers on the platform or in the open market. Lastly, global opportunities. Opportunities to invest in international properties are frequently provided by platforms that offer fractional ownership, allowing Indian investors to diversify geographically and access global markets. Fractional ownership is an ideal match for India's changing investment environment. Increasing urbanization is a key factor. The demand for commercial and residential real estate in cities such as Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, and Hyderabad is high, as India's urban centers are expanding swiftly. Investors can capitalize on this expansion without incurring the entire financial obligation through fractional ownership. The rise of holiday homes is another trend. Holiday residences in destinations such as Goa, Lonavala, and Kerala are becoming increasingly popular due to the growing interest in lifestyle investments. Investors can acquire opulent vacation properties without incurring the full expense through fractional ownership. Then, there are millennials who are tech-savvy. Investment strategies that are inventive are more appealing to the millennial generation. Their preference for investments that are accessible, technology-enabled, and diversified is precisely aligned with fractional ownership. Additionally, investments of institutional quality for retail investors. Retail investors can attain institutional-grade properties, including premium office spaces, residential complexes, and vacation residences that were previously reserved for large corporations or high-net-worth individuals through fractional ownership. Is fractional ownership a secure practice? Yes, fractional ownership is both legally and safely permissible when executed through reliable platforms such as ASATs. In order to guarantee compliance and safeguard investors' rights, properties are registered under a Special Purpose Vehicle, SPV. Fractional ownership arrangements are fundamentally characterized by robust legal documentation, transparency, and due diligence. What is the advantage of selecting ASATs for fractional ownership? In India, ASATs is a prominent fractional ownership platform that has transformed the manner in which individuals invest in premium real estate. ASATs provides a secure and seamless method of acquiring a share in high-value properties, with an emphasis on transparency, global exposure, and investor-friendly processes. ASATs' key features include access to properties that have been meticulously selected and offer a high return, investment properties that are fully managed to ensure a hassle-free experience, transparent legal and financial procedures, prospects for international real estate investments on commercial properties, residential real estate, and vacation residences. Advance your real estate investment. Fractional ownership is not merely an investment trend. It represents a fundamental change in the way Indians view and engage with real estate. Fractional ownership through ASATs provides unparalleled opportunities, regardless of whether you are a seasoned investor seeking diversification or a first-time investor seeking affordability and accessibility. Begin your investment journey today by exploring premium properties. For additional information and to discover how fractional ownership can assist in wealth accumulation, please visit our website www.asats.in. Are you prepared to elevate your real estate investments to the next level? Participate in the fractional ownership revolution with ASATs today.